Senator Tim Kaine is making his way across Hampton Roads this week, holding events to discuss the economy, military housing, gun violence, and education. Today, he stopped at 4Kids and Chesapeake Regional Medical Center to talk about federal funding to help kids who are struggling with school and to help those with mental health challenges. These kids are facing some tough times, but still managed to put a big smile on Senator Tim Kaine's face.
And they had a ton of questions for him, and he had a ton of questions for them.
During his visit to 4Kids, the senator also met privately with several women who were recently homeless in Hampton Roads. And he toured the Regional Housing Crisis Hotline.
There's such need. Some of the stories, there's always challenging stories, but a lot of the challenges got worse during COVID. People losing jobs, people getting sick.
If the senator has his way, 4Kids will be getting a big check to support after-school programming for elementary school students who are falling behind in school. The funding request passed the Senate. The House has yet to vote.
And when you look at the U.S. budget, $170,000 isn't necessarily going to make or break that deal, but it will make or break what's happening here at 4Kids.
Chesapeake Regional Healthcare also got a visit from the senator, who came to celebrate $1 million in federal funds passed last year to help the hospital build mental health services.
What we saw pre-COVID, we didn't have enough mental health services pre-COVID. Then it got so much worse during COVID that we really are falling behind.
Chesapeake, the second most populous city in the state, currently has no licensed behavioral health unit. The hospital plans for a psychiatric unit with 20 beds so patients can receive treatment closer to home. Senator Kaine also met with the Hampton Roads Chamber to discuss regional economy today. Tomorrow, he and Congressman Bobby Scott will tour a military housing complex and hold a roundtable on military housing with military families.